Welcome to the Green Tajikistan system, an advanced environmental monitoring platform that combines satellite image analysis with real-time sensor data. This system provides crucial insights into forest coverage, water quality, soil conditions, and air quality, helping to track and analyze environmental changes effectively. In this video, we will walk you through the core functionalities of Green Tajikistan, starting with an overview and gradually diving deeper into specific features and tools. You will learn how to use the dashboard, analyze environmental trends, and leverage AI-powered insights for better decision-making. Overview. The application is designed for monitoring and analyzing environmental changes over time. It utilizes data from both satellite images and ground-based sensors installed in various regions. Key features include geographic visualization of environmental events on the map, time-lapse analysis through image comparisons over different years, real-time monitoring of soil, water, and air data from sensors, AI-powered image analysis, which automatically detects and segments trees, modules and their usage. Dashboard. The dashboard serves as the primary tool for visualizing and filtering environmental data on the map. Map display shows locations where environmental changes have been detected, e.g., deforestation. Each point represents an area monitored by sensors or satellite analysis. Data filtering. Click the side panel button to access filters. Use the calendar to select a specific year, displaying only relevant events for the chosen period. Detailed information on specific points. Click on any point of interest on the map. A modal window will open, displaying images from two different periods, e.g., 2023 and 2024. Compare images to identify changes in forest cover, vegetation health, and other environmental factors. Aggregator satellite images. To collect and display satellite images from various sources, such as Google Earth, corresponding to selected years. Image sourcing. The aggregator fetches satellite images based on the chosen calendar year. It pulls images from trusted sources, e.g., Google Earth, to ensure data accuracy. Viewing satellite data. Access this module to see a historical record of images. Use the calendar input to retrieve images from different years for comparative analysis. Image comparison provides visual comparison of satellite images across different years to detect deforestation and other environmental changes. Selecting a geographic location. Choose a specific area for analysis. Selecting a time period. Pick one or multiple years for comparison. Displaying results. Images can be overlaid or displayed side by side. Identify changes in tree cover and landscape features. Air monitoring evaluates air quality using CO2, temperature, and humidity sensors. Sensor list and locations displays available sensors with their geographical coordinates, detailed information. Click on a sensor to open a data window with graphs. CO2 levels measures carbon dioxide concentration in the air. Temperature shows current air temperature. Humidity determines the level of moisture in the environment. Soil monitoring. Soil monitoring tracks soil conditions using sensors that measure moisture, temperature, and electrical conductivity, EC. Sensor list and locations. View available sensors and their positions on the map. Detailed information. Click on a sensor to open a modal window displaying graphs. Soil moisture determines the water content in the soil. Soil temperature shows the current temperature at the sensor depth. Electrical conductivity, EC, helps assess soil salinity and nutrient levels. Selecting a time period, view data for the current day or select a specific time range. Water monitoring assesses water quality based on pH levels and temperature. pH sensor list and locations displays sensor positions on the map. Detailed information. Click on a sensor to open a data window with graphs. Water pH indicates the acidity or alkalinity of the water. Water temperature, a critical factor for aquatic ecosystems. For additional support, please visit our official website,